got Jude out here. Check her out, everybody. Hellers ain't afraid to do shit. Oh, look at that skill. Bet you didn't know she was a professional kayaker.
Never met her, I didn't like.
Thanks, Pablo. So, how are your nerves doing?
I think I'm okay.
Not exactly fishing today, are we? Alright, I'm efficiently scared shitless, just for the record. Yes, this is not fishing related, but it is a river in Oregon, so gets a pass, gets up on the site, mostly because I'm about to brown my trow. Bye-bye now.
But I'm not gonna jump out.
Exactly. Oh yeah, you will. You go through that. That's a lot of fun.
And bigger, deeper water, you don't get the chance to stand up to put yourself back in your boat. The way that you should get back in your boat, let's say I'm, sunk. You don't push your body up like this, the boat will come right on top of you. You throw your body across at the same time as you push down. Push down and launch your body across. Then worry about getting in the boat. A lot of people push down and it comes right back on top of them. If you ever dump out of your boat, keep your feet pointed downriver, lean back, try and keep your ass out of the water as much as possible, your feet up and in front of you. So they're going to hit rocks. Your knees and ankles and shins and hips don't get a chance to hit if you're just leaning back, keep your feet in front of you.
Don't let me do that.
That's what you do if it happens, but it's not going to happen. If you get hung up on a rock, you're going to have to do some wiggling. While you're wiggling, the river's not going to stop its force, so keep that in mind. It's going to try and jar you also. You can float all off. You do that.
Holy crap, everyone. Here we go. The maiden kayak voyage on allroundangler.com. Here I go. I just made it through a pretty good set of rapids behind us. I'm not going to fucking show you. This is crazy. I just went through that rapid, came up on these four guys fishing, shot through that thing, damn near went off the edge. See if we can see the rest of the team here. There they are. And Jude's kicking ass, man. She's really taking off. This is absolutely gorgeous. On the wall. Holy crap. I almost turned the camera on just to go through.
Are you okay?
So we got Tyson and Jude over here. Jude took a spill. Tyson came in by chopper.
That's right.
Got the chopper specs on. Jude, how's that feel taking a spill? In the hole in the wall.
I feel like I've been lucky. I'm cleaning me.
Right on. Well, I can't get any action photos.
Just survive that.
Alright.
Look at how is the river kayaking treating you?
Like I said, there's no fishing rods, but there is paddles, and they're kind of like fishing rods. So, It's been a lot of fun. We're giving it some blog love because it has to do with the river in Oregon.
Did you get my dumping in the river?
I did not get your dumping in the river. I was going luge style. Huh? Put the motor in the water, bro. I gotta work. Oh!
And that's enough of that. Bye-bye.
Now Paul's just showing off. I had to show you that. Got to get back to the sticks now, but this guy's incredible. There's Jude. Really hard to keep the camera on her. There's Tyson. Here comes Jude.
The outside of that whirlpool gets 4 feet higher than it.
Oh my God.
This is called rock and roll coming up around the corner.
Rock and roll.
Come through on the right side.